Anyways, here, take this money. Buy me fresh apples and cucumber. Here.
Yeah?
Fresh apples and cucumber.
Did Oga travel? Call him on phone now. You don't need cucumber. Once you call him on phone, he will just rush immediately. Huh? If he knows that it's this type of emergency, he will just come back. Cucumber Megan.
What are you talking about? Eh? I only said take this money and go get me fresh fruits down the road.
And I said you don't need cucumber. What you need is Oga. Just call him on phone. He will just rush and come back immediately. That's why I like the main madam. If it was main madam, we just be like, Mandela, come and get me tiger nut fruits, get me yogurt. And after taking it, she will just call Oga. Before you know it, Oga will just land. You need Oga, not cucumber.
Did I just hear you say main madam?
You don't understand English, or should I break it down for you?
So who is the main madam?
Okay, you said I should buy you fresh cucumber and the cucumber.
Answer my question.
Which size? The long one, the short one, or the medium size?
Does that mean your girl has another girlfriend besides me?
Madam, which size do I buy for you? On the nuku, middle one, average middle. Anyway, let me just buy different sizes so you can choose the one you want. Can't say any of the country nuku again I like.
Get going.
Cucumber.
Are you saying that Amara came all the way down here just to lie to you? Mm-hmm. What will be her game?
I have no idea.
Listen, Chioma, I don't like Amara. And I don't like the fact that she cannot stay in her house and mind her business. But she might be telling the truth.
Oh, dear God. Now, so listen, I know girls like Amara. Girls like that always put their mouth where it does not belong. They go about fabricating all sorts of stories, trying to get somebody to live in a fool's paradise. I know that kind of girl, and I'd be a fool to fall for her pranks and gimmicks. Vincent is not cheating on me. Amara is just being overly dramatic.
Really?
My man is not cheating. Do I need to learn French, Spanish, find a foreign language with which to translate this to you? My man is not cheating.
This is so unbelievable, Chioma. It is everywhere. Can't you see it? What? Yet you refuse to see it.
See what?
The person that saw Vincent cheating on you came to tell you that he is cheating on you, and you are saying she's lying?
Because he's not cheating on me.
Really?
She's a liar. And to prove that she's a liar, I'm going to call Vincent right now to ascertain what it is that really happened. That way you bitches can back the hell off.
Like seriously, you want to call Vincent?
Mm-hmm.
Who has done this to you, God?
All right. It's ringing, and I'm going to say.
Hello, guy. What's up?
Ade, are you with your girl?
No, any problem?
Guy, you need to talk to your girl. Like, seriously, you need to talk to your girl.
What is it? Is there any problem?
Can you imagine your girl going to tell Chioma that Vincent brought a woman to his house, that he is cheating on her? He even told her all sort of rubbish.
But guy, I warned you this will happen. You know women and the way they behave.
You mean you should not live in his house freely because your woman has a loose mouth? But you really need to talk to your girl. Like seriously, I am the one calming him down. Vincent is really angry.
I will speak with my girl. But Vincent should learn to take responsibilities for his actions and stop looking for people to blame. Huh? Later.
You know I love you. Babe, listen, it's not like that. My sister is terribly sick and I had to go be with her. Listen, babe. Not to worry. When I come, I'm gonna give it to you hot. Hot, babe. Yeah, okay. I'll speak to you later, okay?
Babe,
Okay. Yeah, baby.
were you the one that informed Chioma that Vincent brought a woman to my house?
Yes, I did.
And why would you do that?
And why wouldn't I do that? Do I look like I care? I mean, why won't I warn my fellow woman about the dangers to her life? Tell me.
Listen, it wasn't in your place to do that.
It is in my place. Your friend is cheating on her, which means indirectly that you are cheating on me and you are here playing a scent. Yeah,
What did you say?
you heard me right.
Listen, I have never cheated on you.
Sweetheart,
Never.
your friends are womanizing. You are also womanizing. The only thing is that I have not caught you, but I will catch you.
Babe, I have never lied to you. Secondly, the reason I'm against this action of yours is that I don't want you to be the one who will bring disagreement in their relationship. I have never cheated on you. And yes, my friends may be womanizers. Those boys are grown-ups.
Yes, sir.
I can't influence their way of life now.
Well, tell that to Chioma because you know I won't believe you. I will never believe you.
Babe, please, mind the things you say. I don't want problems.
The day I will catch you with that woman, I will break her leg. I will twist her leg. Rubbish.
Don't tell me that. Don't. How can you live without a word? Oh. Honestly, you shattered me. You broke me after all we shared. You didn't even tell me you were traveling to the States. I mean, all you could have done was just tell me about it and you know I'll come with you. Honestly, this is not fair and you know it. It's not fair. No, honestly, it's not fair. You left me all alone here. That's not fair. I mean, you should have just told me. Not leaving me in the... I'll call you back.
Madam, well done. No?
Good afternoon, ma.
What is it?
Madam, sorry. We want to know when you are leaving this house. Yes, you have overstayed your welcome.
Excuse you?
Into a bad room.
Madam, don't be angry. You know, we are the one managing this house. And then we like planning ahead. Our guard did not tell us that you are going to stay for this long. And the food stuff in this house, they are all finished. And then you like sending people on an errand up and down. So it won't be good for us.
Don't misunderstand us. We like you. We're not trying to insult you, but you just have to understand. Huh? Your leadership in this house is like a military regime, and we are not used to that. Huh? If it's the main madam, she used to be gentle now. You know, yeah. And you used to send us on errand like kids. Yeah, you go tell me chewing-gum, and then I go tell me biscuit. We are tired of all this buying sweet and chewing-gum.
You know, our main madam, she eats everything we prepare. If she does not like the one we prepare, she will order for food. She will even buy for us.
Buy for us.
Unlike you.
Enough! You know what? I'll let this pass. But who is your main madam?
Second madam, with your due respect, tell us when you are leaving this house. That is the only thing we want to know. Forget about this main madam and anything. Don't put us into trouble. Tell us when you are leaving. Simple.
Yes, sir. You know what? The both of you, get out of my sight right now.
I say, Abulezioku.
Get out!
Abulezioku.
I said, get out!
Madam, it's grass you.
Out!
Tell us where you are living. Oh, don't let these people stop me in this house. Oh, and me joking. If I don't see any food, I will eat you.
I said, get out.
I thank you for my nightmare.
Get out!
Get out too.
Me?
Mba you. If they don't give me food in this house, I'm tired of my nightmare.
Me?
Get one.
I said, get moving.
Get moving too.
I said, get out.
Get out too. Yes. You need to push on. Got you. Who are you?
Get lost.
You get lost times 2.
Leave my presence right now.
Leave my presence and absent 2. You need to push on. I'm over there.
What part of your body do you breathe from?
Yes, sir.
Let's think again.
You need to push on. Fool. Who are you?
Fool, get man.
Waka. Get woman.
Waka too.
We are tired of you. Only me.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Vincent.
If you love me for real. Don't play with my heart, I can take it. Cause I'm gonna do you something strong.
Ah, hello. Hello, pretty. How are you? Our future wife. How are you doing today?
I'm very well, thank you. So, how may I help you?
Is Vincent around?
Yes, he is around, but he is busy, so you can't see him now.
Are you joking? Please go inside and call Vincent. I need to see him. It's very urgent.
Joke? Do I look like a comedian? I said he is busy. You know, we were actually busy inside when I sighted you coming in. So please, go back and come back when I'm gone. Don't even bother, please. I have his phone right here.
What the hell is going on? Vincent gave you his phone?
That's none of your business. I said, go home and come back later.
Listen, can you go inside, give him his phone? I need to speak with Vincent.
Oh,
It's
Mr.
urgent.
Man, please. What is wrong with you? Listen, Vincent is my man, okay? We were having some fun time in there before you walked in. So go and come back when I am gone. What don't you understand? Leave, please.
You know what? I'll leave. Because I cannot stand here and watch you insult me.
Good for you. Get going. Go home. Go and do something meaningful with your life.
Just stay back.
Close the door after you, please.
You are keeping in here? Where is that bitch you are keeping in here, Paul? Where are you? Come out! Come and face me! Where is she? Where is she? Where is the woman? I have been calling you. I called you 5 times and you didn't take my calls. Where is she? Let her come out and face me.
So, because you called me 5 times and I missed your calls, that's the reason you just assumed that it's because I was with a woman?
Oh, hey, Paul, don't deceive me. Don't confuse me. I know there is a woman here. I know what your friends do. But you see, you cannot deceive me. You not fit deceive me, let me tell you. Bring her here. Okay, tell me, why didn't you pick my calls?
I was with a woman.
Hey, this is not a joke. I'm not joking with you. Okay, like I said, I know what your friends do. You will not expect me to trust you or believe that you don't do the same thing they do. For the last time, why didn't you pick your calls?
You see, I am done. I am just done trying to explain myself to you over and over again. I am done trying to make you understand the kind of person that I am. So from henceforth, whatever idea you have in your head about me, stick with it.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, Paul! Paul! Paul, don't deceive me. Listen, it's a matter of time. I will catch you. Paul, pray! Pray! I do not catch you in the open with another woman. Yes, because if I do, I am going to open her up. And if you try, Paul, you see, if you try to defend her, I will open you up as well. Try me. Just try me.
Babe.
Yeah.
When did you prepare this food?
I bought the food when I stepped out. I saw Maria outside, so I knew you will definitely be hungry.
Wow. This food is delicious. And guess what? That was very thoughtful of you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come and join me.
Enjoy yourself. Bon appetit.
Merci.
Babe. Why didn't you tell me that you have a girlfriend?
Huh?
I ask again. Why did you not tell me that you have a girlfriend?
Babe, what do you mean? I don't understand. I don't have any other girlfriend apart from you.
You mean you have the guts to lie to me? And then you still eat my food? Are you not scared?
Babe, wait, listen, I swear to God, right? I swear to God, I don't have any other girlfriend apart from you. Did you put something in this food? Because I'm telling you the truth. Babe, I had a girlfriend before I met you, okay? But we broke up. I can call her right now so you can speak to her to confirm. What?
Come on, baby, relax. Come on, I was only joking.
You are joking!
Come on, calm down. It was only a joke. Eat your food.
I'm not eating again. You are joking. Ha!
I said it was only a joke. Come on, eat.
Why were you holding the knife like that?
It's just a knife and an apple. Come on, you use knife to cut the apple so that you can eat it.
Annabelle, did you put anything in this food?
Paul, don't tell me you called me here just because of Vincent. That guy doesn't worth my time at all. Well, I don't know what is going on between you both. But Vincent called me and asked me to speak with you. That you have refused to pick his calls. And did he tell you why I refused to pick his calls? Did he? Well, like I said, I don't have any idea as to the reason you both are not talking. But my advice is this: instead of these rifts and quarreling and ranting like women, you both should behave like men and then settle whatever issues you have. I don't know what is wrong with that guy, for real. Just because of ordinary punani that have been pumped and plumated by several men, he's acting this way. When are you both going to stop objectifying women? Huh? When will you grow up like real men
and treat women with the respect they deserve. Just listen to yourself. Can you even hear yourself? Hear the things that are coming out of your mouth. Hear the way you refer to women. You know what? This is why I like Vincent. Oh, really? Yeah, for real. Even with his fuck-ups, he's still the real deal. Okay? You are too uptight for my liking, like for real, boy. You are too uptight. I am too uptight. Now, let me educate you a little. Real men don't act the way you both do. Yes. Real men don't kiss and tell. No, they don't. And they don't talk about women in such a condescending manner the way you and Vincent do. So I advise you, grow up. Wherever you see Vincent, tell him I said you both should grow up and start treating women. I think I rather marry Vincent. Yes, because the two of us cannot reason together. I wonder what Vincent says in a true man like you. Paul, listen, Vincent only told me that he wanted to get what he needed from that girl. I should give him some time, and which I am ready to give him that time that he deserves. Instead of wasting my time with you, Paul. I did not invite you to my house in the first place. You drove all the way from your house to this place to complain about Vincent. So my advice is this. You both grow up. You know what, Paul? I thought I was going to talk to a real man.
Good afternoon, ma.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing just fine, ma.
Okay.
My guy is not around.
I know that. I'll wait for him.
Okay.
What's wrong? Is there something you want to tell me?
Ma, I don't know if I should concern myself with this, but my conscience would not let me be. You're a good person and you deserve better.
What are you talking about?
Ma, I know you to be a kind and smart lady. You're a good person. And I know you love my Oga so much. But I'm double-minded about this.
You are double-minded about what? Out with it, now!
What if my Oga is cheating on you? What if he's cheating on you and you found out? What would you do?
Is your boss cheating on me? Did he bring another woman into this house? Did he?
Ma, you've not answered my question.
You haven't answered mine. Did your boss bring another woman into this house?
Hey, Ma, please, I'm coming. I want to get something.
The love of my life. How you doing, baby?
Are you okay? Did I keep you waiting?
No, not really.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Are you okay? Have you had something to eat?
I ate before coming here.
Oh,
You're welcome.
great. You look beautiful, as usual. In that case, let's go into the room so I can show you a lot of things.
You just got back.
It doesn't matter. I want to show you how much Junior misses you.
I didn't come here for stuff like that. I mean, I came to spend quality time with my man. Quality time devoid of sex and whatsoever it is erotic.
Babe.
I don't want to see Junior or touch Junior. In fact, tell Junior to stay right there because there's nothing for him here.
Babe, how can you say a thing like that? Huh? Wait, you don't miss me? Oh, are you cheating on me?
Just leave me alone. I think I should go.
Wait. Chama, calm down. Chama, what's wrong? I miss you. Come on.
I'm talking to you. It's me, Vincent.
I know.
Why are you acting weird?
Come here.
Babe. Babe, why are you spinning me around?
Stay.
I miss you, baby. Come here, babe. It's me.
I'll call you.
Choma, why are you acting weird? Choma!
I will call you.
Wait, Choma.
I think you may have had a point all this time.
I'm lost here. What point?
Vincent doesn't love me. Really?
What do you mean?
No, never mind. I shouldn't be telling you this.
Like, seriously? I'm an outsider or what? What am I?
I don't know what to say, or think, or do. But it's starting to become apparent that Vincent is not, and he's not for real. I mean, with him it's just sex. Sex, sex, and more sex. I'm just trying to recall the many times in the past where I was this close to visiting him, but then I disclosed to him that I was in my period, and then he came up with a million reasons why I should stay back. That's not love, that's just sex. And I have never had cause to pause in my tracks and think this way about these things, but here I am thinking about it. I'm starting to think that chances are he's actually cheating on me and lying his ass off about it.
I don't know what to say right now, Choma.
For me to get to the point where I have to stop in my tracks to edit this moment just tells me that indeed Vincent is not for real.
Choma, see, everything will be fine. Just calm down. It will be all right.
Second, madam. This one you are sneaking in like a thief without your car. I hope so they never robbed you.
My dear, that's because I came in a cab.
It's better. The country is not safe.
Mm-hmm.
It's better for you to be riding with, disguising yourself with a cab. Because they might kidnap you once you carry out your big car.
Not to worry. Is the Oga around?
No, he's not around and he did not inform me that you are coming.
Oh, really? That's because I did not come to see him. I came to see you and I got you this. Go on.
Wait. Like, seriously?
Go on. For you.
All this for me?
Yes. What?
Second, madam.
In fact, because of this, let me promote you to first madam. Because you deserve it.
If I may ask, why do you bring this gift for me?
That's because there are things I want to find out from you.
I said it. No, wait. I said it. I said you have come to put me in trouble. You want my Oga to sack me. Because I know that thing you want to find out must put me in trouble.
Don't shout.
That's nothing like shouting. I'm lazy. Never from.
Trust me, I promise no one will hear about this.
I have trust issues when it comes to women. After what happened between Delilah and the Abacha in the Bible. If you want to find out anything from me, just pay for damages in case of necessity or in case of incasity.
You know, what part of your body do you even breathe from?
Sometimes I breathe from my nose, sometimes it's from Ongada.
Money is not the problem here. It's not the problem at all. How much do you want?
Madam, you are not ready yet. When you are ready, I will know. Money for hand, on we may pay.
I said name your price.
Now you are talking. This is business. Madam, second madam.
How much do you want? I'm not bluffing.
Just for now. Just give me anything you like. Then if I go inside, I will not tell you my price. You know, from the gate to my quarter, it's a long journey. Just bring tea fare first.
So you like money this much, eh?
You
like being paid. So you want me to pay you now?
You can even pay in kind.
Once.
It's a wild road.
You don't know your size.
That's a sexy
you
one.
Don't know your size.
It's not by size, yo. Can you
beat this? Are you okay?
I don't use small pill, I use big pill. Your boy like a colloid will. Cambia.
Where did Vincent pick this animal from? Huh? So you don't know your mate?
So I have been calling your line. And you haven't been taking my calls. Oh! You'll tell me another lie. You probably forgot your phone in the toilet. I am talking to you, Paul. Why were you not taking my calls? I called countless times.
Amarachi, I need you to leave my house now.
You lie! Guy! Now lie you dey lie. You dey yarn no patter. You just dey talk nonsense. You are talking in the nonsense. Leave your house where? Eh? After everything I have suffered with you, you want me? You want to use me and dump me? For where now? Where did it happen? It's not possible. You are talking rubbish.
Like I said, leave my house. I'll reach out to you when I need.
Oga Paul, I'm not living anywhere. I'm not living anywhere. What is it? You will not break my heart into pieces. You can't do that. I gave you my everything. We have suffered together. You want to throw me out. Who does that? You are not serious. We are in this together forever. Get that into your thick skull.
You know, I can't seem to get it. I have tried and tried and tried to just imagine this, and I can't figure it out. I don't understand how I was so insensitive to your hypocritical side.
You're speaking English.
How was I so blind? I mean, why was I so blind? You accuse me always of cheating on you. You suspect my every move in this house. Yet, you were the one cheating. Sleeping around with so many men. Listen, Amarachi. I don't want to get mad. Get out of this house this minute before I get mad.
I'm sorry, I don't know. The devil came over me. Babe, come on. You know that I love you. You are the only man I have ever been with since we started dating. I will never cheat on you. You know I love you. You know that. I'm sorry. I was just scared that you were cheating on me. That's all. I have never cheated on you.
Can you just remind me again? Where did you say you spent your weekend?
Babe, my sweetheart, I told you that I was visiting my sister in Enugu and that I'm just coming back from there and I just came straight to your house. Yes, I'm just coming from Enugu.
And your sister lives in Padelia Hotel. I mean, your sister who lives in Enugu, her house is now Padelia Hotel. Huh? Listen, Amara, stop fooling yourself. The man you spent your weekend with happened to be an acquaintance of my friend Vincent. And I know. So all this pretense, all this thing you're trying to act, you're merely fooling yourself because I know everything. Your activities, that's casted. Do you understand? So stop this pretense because you're merely fooling yourself. Like I said, get out of my house. You've been the one acting mad. You don't want to see my mad side. Amarachi, I will not repeat myself. Get out.
If you love me for real. Don't play with my heart, I can't take it. Cause I'm gonna do you something strong. So strong.
Hey, wait, don't rush. Oh, yeah. Rapidly, one step down. Yeah, gently like that. Yeah. Another step. Yeah. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, listen. If I finish with you, you're going to know who the real daddy is. Oh,
I can't wait
the
to
real
be
zaddy. Yeah.
I can't wait.
You can't wait to be dealt with? Oh, great. Let me just drop the bag. Okay. Yeah. Then I'll take you up. Like this. Yeah.
Vincent, it shall never be well with you. Oh, you think you can spoil my relationship? And you're here gallivanting and flirting with a girl? You have something coming for you. You're very stupid.
Amara, what are you doing here?
You're asking me that stupid question? Look at you. Kiss and tell. You don't want to stay in one place. Don't be man. Be a man. Be a man. You are not a man.
Baby, who is this lady?
Oh, you are calling him baby. You are here with him. He's a kiss and tell. He will sleep with you and call his clique of friends and they will have sex with you and he will post it on social media. That is the kind of person he is. He sleeps and tell everybody that gets to hear. And then you'll be all over the place. Idiot. Kiss and tell. Be a man. You're not a man. Look
Mandela.
at you. Idiot.
Mandela.
Run.
Shut up. What is this woman doing here?
What are you doing here? You are very stupid.
Now bundle this woman out of this house. Now.
Which of them, Oga? Tombon. I never see this one before. Make a bundle.
Mandela! I said bundle this woman out of here!
Okay, Jikwanya, you look very well. This is your spec.
You are very stupid. You are mad. Then Vincent, you dey craze for your head.
Madam.
You see, I will deal with you.
Madam, Pico Bianaba. With all due respect, if you respect me, I will respect you. Help my job.
Listen, if you don't bundle this woman out of here, you will have me to contend with.
Madam, allow this fine girl to enjoy that you'll be enjoying.
Will you shut up your mouth there? He will sleep with you and tell everybody. Now you listen to me. I have my eyes on you.
Thank
I will
you.
tear you apart.
This is what you people be. Okay, this is.
Come on, get out. I need to explain to you. I need to tell you the truth. You see that woman that just left this house? She's my cousin's sister. Yes. Unfortunately, madness runs in their family. Her father died of madness. I personally took her mother to the psychiatric home before she died. Her sister ran mad yesterday and now she has started showing symptoms of madness.
Ha! Agami, the coast is clear. She's gone and nobody's going to disturb you again, so just have fun.
Mandela, if you don't leave here right now, I'll do something bad to you.
I'm not trying to be a disruption of phone, no. I'm only doing my job. I'll make sure I guide the gate and nobody's going to enter this house. Unless you want me to open the gate.
Mandela, get out of here!
Sorry, sir.
Don't you ever call my line. Don't you ever come looking for me. And be careful not to come close to anyone I know. Because that will be your end.
Babe, listen to me. Wait. Are you going to do
I
this?
said, leave me alone.
Are you leaving me because of the mad woman?
Leave me alone.
I just told you madness runs in their family.
I said, leave me alone.
Oga, should I call the other bamboo? Since this one is not interested.
Get out of my way.
Madam, wait now.
I said, get out.
My salary is supposed to enter today. Why are you doing this to my Oga?
Get out of my way.
Okay, should I go to Abakaliki Street and bring you over so you can manage for the night?
Mandela!
Okay,
Mandela!
let me find you. I'm going down there to wait.
Mandela!
Hello, guy. What's up?
Paul, listen to me. Hold that bitch you call a girlfriend. Hold that bitch you call a girlfriend. If I see her anywhere close to my house, I'll kill her. If I see her anywhere close to my gate, I will kill her. Can you imagine? I was at the verge of having fun. I was about to have sex with a new girl. This girl came and ruined everything for me. Yes, she came and spoiled everything.
Okay, let me say this. For one, she's no longer my girl. So, bro, you are free to take any action you want to take against her. And please, you don't need my permission.
Now listen to me, I don't give a shit. Tell her to stay away from me. Tell her to stay away from my house. Else, you'll hear a sad news flash.
Please, don't call me next time talking about anything in regards to her.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Yes? Please hold on.
Please forgive me, baby, please. Yes, I cheated on you. Yes, I cheated on you, but I only did it because I thought you were like your friends. Please, baby, I love you. You're the essence of my existence. You're my life. You're everything I've ever wanted. I'm sorry, please. Please.
Amara.
My love.
Please, I need you to leave. And I don't want to ever see you again.
My love, please. I only cheated on you once. And that was with him. I did that because I felt you were going to break my heart. So I needed someone to console me when you do that. And I swear I love you. I'm sorry. Please. Please.
You don't seem to understand my point, Amara. I cannot be with a woman that doesn't trust me.
I trust you now.
I cannot be with a woman that lies to me.
Please now. Please.
And I cannot be with a woman that finds nothing wrong in sleeping with another man. So please, I beg you in the name of God, leave my house.
No, baby, please, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was just once. And the guy doesn't even mean anything to me. You're better than him by far. You satisfy me in every ramification. I don't know, it was the devil or devil. It was the devil, babe. Please. Please.
Stand up.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. God bless you. The love of my life.
Madam, please, you cannot go inside. Oga no dey.
You said that already, and I told you that this is a surprise visit. I'll wait for him.
No, man. You cannot go inside there. It's very dangerous. There's a very big snake inside the house.
A snake?
Not ever. Snake that even swallowed Maria, the cook.
A real snake?
Ha! It's not like a real snake, but it's like a real snake. So you
Maria's
cannot go
right
inside.
there. Look at Maria.
Oh, thank God.
Good afternoon, ma. Welcome, ma.
Maria, what's going on here?
But everything is alright inside. You can just come inside and see for yourself.
Did your boss leave instructions that I not be let in?
Ma, please ignore this fool. My Oga did not tell him anything. Just come inside, sit down and relax. He will soon be here.
Maria, I come out your queer. You are the one allowing the first madam into the house when the coast is not clear. My hand is not there.
Your head should be there.
Because I'm the one that Oga will sack. And if Oga sack me, I will sack you too.
Story. Please, ma, come inside.
Madam, there's a big snake there. Oh no. Come on.
Hello. Hi. Who are you? Maria. Who is she?
Moment of truth. She is Oga's main girlfriend. She has come to see Oga.
My name is Choma. How are you?
You are Vincent's girlfriend, I presume?
Mm-hmm.
The ex he told me he broke up with last month?
Bells by moonlight. She is not ex. She is our main madam. She has been the only constant girlfriend I've seen in this house since I started working for my Oga. Other girls come and go. They don't ever return. She is the main madam.
Other girlfriends?
This is becoming more interesting.
So you just sit down and watch the movie.
I'll do just that. Hey, darling.
My angel. Mwah. Mwah.
How was it, babe?
It was stressful because I missed you.
Aww.
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
I know.
But not to worry. Your angel is here to take good care of you, okay?
I know, babe. I hope the house is not too boring for you.
No, it wasn't.
Oh,
I was
great.
actually busy making your favorite food.
Oh, you did?
Because I know you'll be hungry.
Well, hungry is an understatement. I'm famished.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't you go freshen up?
Right.
While I set the table.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful.
Get going.
Okay.
Baby.
Yeah.
Did you read the story on social media? I mean, it's trending everywhere.
Story. What is it about?
You mean you didn't come across it?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I haven't seen it.
I'll tell you.
Okay. What's up?
A guy who was cheating on the girlfriend.
Okay.
The girlfriend got wind of it and confronted him, but the guy denied it. The girl believed him. But then somewhere along the line, the girl caught the guy with this said girl. Do you know what she did? She beat up the girl and she set the guy's car on fire.
What?
I'm telling you.
On fire?
On fire.
Why would she do that? I mean, why would she set his car on fire? I mean, it's okay to fight her fellow girl, but putting fire on his car is totally unacceptable.
Well, all I know is that the girl did not do well.
Well, yeah.
I mean, she shouldn't have set the guy's car on fire.
Exactly.
She did not do well at all.
That's my point exactly.
Listen, you know what? If I were to be that girl, do you know what I would do? I'll prepare his favorite meal. Make sure I add enough pepper and sleeping pill in it. Then, when he falls asleep, I will cut off his prick, make suya with it, and feed him when he wakes up. That's exactly what I will do. Feed him when he wakes up.
What?
Not to worry, baby. Let me go get your food, okay?
Which food?
Baby, the one I prepared. on, baby. Let me get your food.
I'm sorry, I'm not hungry.
But you just said
I am not
finished.
hungry.
Baby, it's food.
I have lost my appetite, sorry.
Why?
Yes. I'm telling you. Of course. But you know what? Let me call you back, please. Okay. Who is it? Margie. Are you okay? What's wrong? Seem to be in a mood. What's up?
I'm not okay. I shot myself on the leg. I'm finished.
Which is better? To have shot yourself in the leg or to have had someone shoot you?
I cheated on Paul. And your bastard boyfriend told him.
What?
And now Paul broke up with me.
Wait a minute. You mean you cheated on Paul or he found out you've been cheating the whole time?
If you know you're going to be mean to me, just let me know. I'll take my leave.
Well, girl, from where I stand, that's good riddance to bastard rubbish. Because all those men are nothing but scum.
What happened? Did Vincent do something to you?
I met one of his numerous girlfriends.
But I told you, but you wouldn't listen to me. Vincent he's something else. But you see, Paul is quite different from them. A friend of theirs told me that he's not like them.
And you believe that?
He wouldn't lie to me. He wouldn't lie to me. And that's the reason I regret cheating on him. Hey! I think I know you from somewhere. She's gone. That girl is shameless. What does she want?
Were you eavesdropping on us?
Oh! Vincent's house! Does Chioma know that you are strafing her boyfriend? Huh?
Okay, so who are you?
Who I am is not important. What are you doing here? Now listen to me. If you hurt Chioma, if you hurt Chioma, I will fire, I will tear you into two. Anybody who hurts Chioma hurts me because she's my friend.
Take a chill pill. Calm down, okay? Calm down.
Calm down.
Where did Chioma even get a crazy friend like you?
Me crazy? Oh, you want to see crazy? No, you want to see crazy?
Take a chill pill, please. Calm down.
Rubbish.
I'm not here for trouble, girl. I'm here to see Chioma because she invited me. Are you okay now?
She invited you.
Yes, she did.
She did.
She did.
Okay, go. Let me see you. Let me see you walk. What does she want? I thought you guys were done.
You were eavesdropping. And you know I hate that. Please go back to the room and quit eavesdropping into my conversations. I don't like it.
Yes, ma'am.
you surprised? I told you I'll be coming to your place today.
I thought you were kidding. I thought you were just saying that so I could leave.
No, I wasn't. You gave me the address to your place, remember? Thank you. So, now that you remember, how is your boyfriend?
You called me since yesterday. I refused to pick.
Oh, please. You have to pick his calls. Please. I don't want him to be aware of all this. You really need to pick his calls, please.
Wait a minute. You really expect me to pretend like nothing is going on?
Please, Choma, you have to.
How?
You have to. I don't want him to know we already know he's cheating on us. I mean, we need to give him back a dose of his own medicine.
Okay, what you're asking me to do might be easy for you to pull off for reasons that I don't know. But from where I stand, I can't pull it. The guy in question is someone that I loved. I could never just...
But then he's cheating on you. And he is equally cheating on me. Do you like that? Think.
We went 4 times. And this girl wanted more. I had to run for my dear life. In fact, this girl is fire. She finished me. You know what? I am contemplating on making her my real chick. Vincent.
Okujele, congratulations. I'm happy for you. But in my own case, I don't know what's going on. I think something is wrong somewhere. All the women I know are acting weird. Choma, my woman, I always fall back to. When I'm horny, she doesn't take my calls anymore. She doesn't reply my text messages. I feel like someone took my name somewhere or something.
Now let me ask you. Are you trying to tell me that no one is picking your calls anymore?
No one. They keep giving me excuses. Listen, I've been sex-starved for days. And Choma, my only hope, is ignoring me. She doesn't take my calls. She doesn't reply my text messages. I'm just confused, bro.
In that case, I will hook you up with my landlord's daughter. Yeah. You see, I am done with her. So Vincent, I can pass her. In fact, I'm ready to share.
Okudili, you're my friend.
Yeah.
But I don't like what you do sometimes. Listen, if you want to hook me up with the right person. Yes. What do you mean you want to pass on your landlord's daughter? Is she not the same girl you said her thing smells? Huh? So you want to get me infected with STDs? Please say something else. Okay?
Vincent, calm down. Listen. Beggars not get choice, so sure you know. Now let me ask you. You want her, maybe you don't want her. You need her?
I'll use your condom, don't worry. Babe, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Do I need to tell my boyfriend that I'm coming to his house before I come to his house?
No. Don't misunderstand me. You see, this house belongs to me and it belongs to you too. It belongs to the two of us.
That's right.
Yeah. Ooh. Your bag looks like a ball. Nice.
It's a purse.
Oh, purse.
And I want to relax.
Oh, wait, babe. Listen.
What is it?
Oh. Take it easy. You see, I gave you this purse so you can leave. Yeah.
Why? I just got here.
I know. Sorry I didn't tell you. You see, my pastor, my spiritual father, he told me in confidence and in private that he had a revelation about me. He said I got shot in the head. Yeah.
What?
Yes. So he asked me to pray for 1 week to avert, that revelation.
That is not your portion.
Amen. So I have to pray for 1 week so it doesn't come to pass. Yes.
Okay, I'll pray with you. Let's go.
No, babe. Listen.
What?
You can't pray with me.
Why?
He said I should ensure that nobody comes close to me when I'm praying. So that means I have to pray alone. Yes. I have to fast and pray alone. Yeah, so you can't be around me when I'm praying. You know, he said I should ensure that I don't, go close to any woman so I don't get tempted sexually. Yes. I have to pray so that, what happened in his dream doesn't become reality.
But this is so confusing. Who want to shoot you? What did you offend?
Babe, I have to pray for 1 week. Listen, I have to pray for 1 week so that the revelation doesn't come to pass.
I've been quiet for too long. After dealing with you, Osita, after dealing with you, first I will start from selling off all your clothes. And when I'm done with that, I will make sure you are destroyed. And no woman in this village will ever look your way. Then I will leave your house. Useless man.
Oh, come on, baby. You know I love you. And I can't wait to join you in the States. Don't even say you missed me. Were you not the one that left me here without a word? I nearly fell into depression. I had to make some friends. If not, I don't know what would have happened to me. Yes. I miss you so much. I can't wait to be with you. I want you by my side. Uncle. Yes. Are you serious? That was what Uncle said? Uncle is so funny. Oh, baby.
You've been on the phone for so long. Are you sure you were speaking to your sister?
Come on, baby. Okay, do you want to talk to her? I can just give you the phone to speak to her.
No. It's not like I don't trust you or I don't believe you were speaking to your sister. It's just that I missed you, baby.
Baby!
Yeah.
Stop it.
You left the bedroom without doing anything. And that's not right.
Come on, baby.
That's against the rules of my bedroom, baby.
Stop it!
Yeah.
Come on, baby. I told you. Okay, we're gonna spend this whole weekend without any bedroom business. So be a good boy.
Are you serious with that? No. That's impossible. Because my big boy is hard, baby.
I knew it.
Can you feel it?
I knew it.
You feel it? Feel it, baby.
Oh, you know what? What? Why don't you go in there and take a cold shower? Believe me, your big boy will calm down.
What does that mean?
Go take a shower.
What does that mean? Listen, touch it, baby. It's hard. It's hard for you. Feel it, baby. Feel it. Feel it.
Okay. But I made it clear, no bedroom business this weekend.
Babe, why now? What do you mean by that?
Can't we just do something else? G's, share ideas?
Touch it. It's hard, baby. Paul, how could she even ask a question like that? Like, seriously, what was she thinking? Huh? This is about sex. Was she thinking we're together or we are together to motivate each other? Huh? Listen, the worst is she has refused to leave so another woman can take her place. Isn't that witchcraft?
I like this girl. No, sincerely. I like her very much. She's the best for you.
Oh, what do you think this is? You think I'm here to joke or something?
What else do you want me to say? A woman wants something serious with you. She wants something deeper. I think it's something you should be happy about.
Oh, as far as I am concerned, right? The only thing serious here is when I'm on top of a woman
And I am digging deep. Deeper. Nothing else matters, bro. I don't give a shit about her.
Well, in that case, I am not the right person you should be speaking with right now. You're actually talking to the wrong person.
So how do I...
Tell her what matters.
Yes, I was going to say, how do I tell her? How do I start to tell her?
You haven't been fair enough and you know that. Listen, if you don't subscribe to her wants in the relationship, then open up. Be a man. Let her go and stop wasting your time and her time. Huh?
If you love me for real. Don't play with my heart, I can take it. Cause I'm gonna do you something strong. Please don't take me for a fool. Cause if I got you. Cause life is one, so we live today and tell story tomorrow.
Hi. What's with the face?
I'm very disappointed at you. This was not the plan. How could you spend the night in his place?
Oh, calm down, girl.
What's that
for? Calm down. Nothing happened. Nothing. I had to stay back so that I can frustrate him all through the night. And guess what? I did.
You heard me. There. Why didn't you come out?
Because it wasn't yet time. It wasn't. I had him dismiss you. I mean, he knew I was in, so he had to dismiss you. But guess what, girl? He begged all through the night. You didn't see him begging like a baby. Come on, nothing happened. This is so useless. Oh, calm down. That's what it is.
You know, I'm not even gonna lie. I was pretty upset and embarrassed at the way he was hushing me out of his house like I was a damn criminal. I had to demand for 200,000 naira from him. Otherwise, I wasn't going anywhere, and then he bulged. Imagine, dude fucking paid 200,000 just to have me exit his premises.
Wow.
He was that desperate to have you.
Same thing I did. I mean, when he continued begging like a baby, I had to collect 300K. Trust me.
He gave you money?
300K. That's what he gave me.
And then what? You caved and gave in to his demands?
Come on, Choma. Don't allow your heart to wander. I mean, we are in this to frustrate the Casanova out of this guy. He got nothing of me. Nothing at all, so you don't need to worry, okay?
Who is it? Yes. Oh, look at my baby. This is what the prayers have reduced you to. You look kind of lean.
Hey, baby.
Hey, how are you?
I've missed you so much.
Oh, come here.
You don't understand. I couldn't stay one more day without you.
Oh.
Yes.
Come.
How are you?
Good. Come sit.
Yeah.
Is your pastor know you're here? Because I would not want to get you in trouble.
Babe. The truth is I had to discontinue the prayers.
Oh, really?
Yes, I had to pay my pastor to, continue the prayers on my behalf.
Oh.
Because I've missed you so much. I couldn't stay one more day without having sex with you. Baby, I've missed you.
Is that why you didn't let me into your house?
Baby, listen. I didn't tell you. I've not been staying in my household. Yes, I've been putting up with Paul. My house is very messed up. But the truth is, it's not like I don't want you to come to my house. My house is very messed up and you can't come there now. Baby, I've missed you so much, I swear. And my big boy misses you too, baby. It gets hard at night and falls down because of my prayers. But I just said I can't continue like that. I have to come and see you.
I missed you too.
Ah, baby, are you sure you miss me?
Yeah.
But you're not acting as if you missed me.
I did. Want a hug?
Hi, baby. Ah, baby. My big boy misses you. Can we do something really quick?
Like what?
Let's do it quickly.
Yeah, but my roommate could come out now.
Your roommate?
My friend.
Is she here? Mm-hmm. Huh. Baby, tell her to give us some private moments now. Eh? Tell her to give us some privacy. We need some privacy, baby. Baby, I've missed you so much.
You're a funny guy. Where should I send my friend to? I can't do that.
Baby, let her wait outside.
That would be cruel. You know what? Let's just go to your place and manage it like that.
Baby, listen. Do you know, I didn't even tell you.
What?
Do you know why I said you can't come to my place? So I fumigated the whole house.
You did?
Yes. The rat poison killed a lot of rats. So my house stinks. You can't go there. You can't. That's why I had to come here, baby.
That would mean we'll have some rats to trash. Let's go and tidy up the place and use the space. That's why you pay rent over there. Let's go.
Baby. Listen to me when I talk to you. There are so many things you don't know about me, baby. You see, the house has no water. Oh. My landlord disconnected the water supply.
Your landlord?
Yes.
Why would he do that?
I don't understand. I even took a shit and I couldn't flush it.
Oh, dear God.
The whole house stinks. So you can't go there, baby.
Why the hell will your landlord do that? That's just crazy.
Baby, forget about my landlord, please. Focus on me now, baby.
Yeah?
Baby, I want to have sex with you. It's been a long time.
You haven't had him, huh?
Baby, you want to see it? It's hard.
I don't want to see it.
Baby.
Yeah.
Baby, do as if you miss me now. You don't miss me.
I didn't miss you. Come here.
Baby, you're not serious. Baby, ask your friend to go now. Let's do this thing really quick now.
No. You'll be alright.
Baby, come now. Baby,
you'll be alright.
Baby, let's do this thing now.
To what?
Baby, can we go to the bathroom?
No! God! What?
Baby, you don't want to send your friend outside. Let's go to the bathroom and do this quickie now.
What
baby.
are we, animals?
Baby, I'm a tiger.
How did you get in? And meanwhile, what are you doing in my house, Osita? What is the meaning of sit down?
Sit down.
Osita, leave my house. Go back to your wife. You better go back to your wife, Osita.
Baby, listen to me. Listen. You know that I cannot stay a day without you. Yes, my wife has turned into something else. She wants to kill me. So don't send me away, please.
Osita, your wife is harmless. Yes, it is you that do not have sense. Yes, you do not have one single sense in your brain. Huh? I have told you, for you to get access to my house, you have to treat your wife right. What is it? And see, what did you do now? I'm talking to you.
Cassandra, there is nothing you will do for that woman to please her. She's a witch. So please, sit down, let us talk. Don't send me away just like that. Sit.
Osita, do not allow me to scream. Osita, please don't let me scream. Leave my house right now.
Cassandra, you want to scream? See. Ajibia, I brought this money for you just to prove how much I love you.
Osita, why are you doing this now?
Calm down.
I hope your wife will not come here to come and cause trouble.
Come where? Yeah. She dares not.
Because I don't like any wahala.
She won't.
Okay.
I don't count.
Osita.
Eh? Let us go inside. Give it to me.
Oh,
see? Hmm?
Huh?
You like what you see? Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh?
Do that again. Do that again.
Wow,
wow. Wow, wow. Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
You sure?
You miss me?
Ow!
Yeah.
Oh my god. Easy!
Tiger. I will eat you up.
Take it easy, come on. Babe.
What?
Someone's at the door.
I don't care about the door. I'm not expecting anyone.
No.
Hey.
I mean, it could be important. I mean, I'm not running away. We can continue when the person is...
Babe!
Babe!
Madam, please. And I'm already in your black book. But please, you just have to forgive me. You know I'm only doing my job. I don't want to lose this job, Biko.
Mandela, I have no issues with you. I think you should go back to your duty post.
Yes, madam. I know you don't have any problem with me, but I have problem with everything in this house. Please, this is not the right time for you to be here. Biko, this is wrong timing, Biko.
Wrong timing.
Biko.
See, I'm not complaining. Okay, I can help you get the door.
No. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Stop it!
You know, just stay here. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay. Jeez.
What do you mean wrong time?
Sir, don't be angry with me that she's already inside, Biko. I tried to stop her, please. Original madam is original madam. I cannot stop. If it's only all these useless guests, I'll just throw them away.
Hey, it's okay. You can go back to you.
What did you say?
You know I cannot push original madam.
You can go back to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hey, babe.
Are you the one that asked him not to let me in?
No, I can't do a thing like that, baby. Why should I do that?
Because... You know what? Forget about it. I missed you. And I came to make up for the last time.
I miss you too.
Take care of Junior.
Baby, yeah.
Yeah?
I feel you, but that won't be possible.
Why?
Because my mother is here.
Your mother?
Yeah. My mother is here.
What?
She's in the kitchen right now and she might come out anytime.
I want to see her.
No, baby, no.
Why?
You see, I haven't told you who my mother is.
Tell me.
My mother is a very religious woman. She's one of those religious women who preach marriage before sex. Okay, if she finds out that you come to this house to visit me, not outside, she's going to think you're a prostitute. She's going to think you're a bitch. She's going to think you're a harlot. And I don't want that to happen.
I think you're over-exaggerating. I'm going to just grade her and begin to get acquainted with her. That's my future mother-in-law.
No! Baby, you don't understand. My mother is a very difficult woman. Listen, she hates indecent dressings. Yeah, and trust me. No, you don't understand. She doesn't like women putting on trousers.
Oh.
Yeah, she thinks it's a man's job. So listen, my mother is going to call you a harlot if she finds you here. So I don't want that to happen. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
My mother is going to call you a prostitute if she sees you here. Mm-hmm. She's going to think we've been having sex.
Right.
So can we kindly go out? Thank you. Baby, come on, let's go.
Are you serious?
Baby, you don't know, my mother will not like to see you here. Annabelle.
Oh, baby.
Wait. Whoa. Where are you going? And why are you dressed up? Why are you going with the bag?
Baby, calm down. I just got an urgent call, okay? I have to attend to something very important.
Oh, come on, Annabelle, no! You can't do this! No! Babe, listen. Come on. My big boy is up. We have to finish what we started. Yeah, you want to take...
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
No, are you even listening to yourself? I said I got an important call and I have to attend to it urgently. So please.
Babe.
And you're here talking about your big boy.
Yeah, I mean, it's up. It's up for you. Listen, babe, I'm not trying to force you, but come on, I miss you and I just want us to...
Time is of the essence here right now, okay?
Know. Babe.
I don't want to believe that you are this unreasonable.
We're not talking about being unreasonable here. My big boy's up, babe. Come on.
And I have to run, babe. See you.
Babe! Babe!
I am sure he is in his bedroom right now making use of his suit.
You are so evil!
You can say that again.
How do you come up with these things? Yes!
Very easy.
Tell me about it.
Very, very easy. Trust me.
Although, it does seem to me as if we're playing. Because what I really want, what I hunger for from my innermost self is to crush that guy. I want to cripple him so bad. I want to hurt him as much as he has hurt me and so many other women. That's what I want.
Are you the one saying this? Are you sure that's what you want to do?
Girl, you heard me. I want to deal with Vincent. So much so that he will never in his entire miserable life ever think of hurting any woman in his life. That's what I want.
You know, if I'd wanted to cripple him, it would have been very, very easy. But no, I have my plans. One step at a time.
Well, I don't care if he's worth it or not. What I want is to crush him. So damn bad.
That's the spirit.
Who is that? Ijema, is that you?
Yes, open the door, I'm the one.
Okay. Come inside. What is it now?
Cassandra, what is going on? Why are you locking the door?
What is it? I am in big trouble. I need to leave this village as soon as possible.
Hey! What happened? Why do you want to suddenly leave? I thought you said you've not gathered enough money to move back to the city.
Yes, I said so. That is why I need to leave before I will not be able to live with my complete body parts.
I don't understand. First off, you called me to rush down here. And now you just locked the door. Is anybody threatening you?
Yes. Some deadly looking men came here earlier today. It was by the grace of God I escaped. Yes, so, I just pray that Osita is still alive. Because from the look of things, the way they descended on him, I pray that he survives it.
Cassandra, I don't understand what you're talking about.
My dear, I think Neddy sent those dangerous men to kill her husband and I. Hey.
Neddy?
Yes, I had to escape. And from the look of things, they might come back to look for me.
Cassandra, don't tell me Neddy's brothers visited. That's death sentence, oh.
What? Are those Neddy's brothers?
From what you're saying, if truly those are Neddy's brothers, my dear, you have to run for your dear life. Those boys are dreaded cultists.
Hey! If they are Neddy's brothers, why will Osita be treating her the way he does? That is... God, that is not nice at all. Hey!
Look, Osita has been joking with his life all the while. That is because Neddy has been blinded by love. Yes, so Osita does not know who he has been joking with. Those boys are dangerous. And they never supported this marriage.
Hey! I am finished, oh!
You're truly finished, oh. Cassandra, you're finished.
See, you need to help me. Please, borrow me some money.
What? Madam, why are you looking at me like that?
I don't like this thing you're doing. No. I don't like it at all. You found out he's cheating on you. Break up with him and let him go. Stop playing these silly games.
I should let him go? Let him go after everything that he put me through? Let him go? Go where? You know, the fact that... The part that annoys me the most is the fact that I still feel something for that stupid idiot of a man. And you want me to let him go? Let him go where? You lie, girl. He ain't going nowhere until I'm done dealing with his ass.
I don't like it though.
You don't have
Honestly,
to like it.
I do not like it. What's these silly games you're playing with her? See, leave this thing. Move on. Be hopeful. One day, a better guy would locate you. Don't you believe that?
Hello, sugar. I'm doing fine, sugar. I haven't seen you in a while. Don't worry, just come. I'll give you discounts. I'll take off 10% of my usual price. Are you coming? Alright, can you please make it today? Okay. I'll be expecting you. Alright, bye. Ciao. Hello, Punky. I'm doing great, Punky. I thought you said you'd be coming in this week. Can you come today? Let's make it all night. Don't worry, I'll give you a discount. Alright, I'll be expecting you. Okay, I've missed you so much. Alright, bye. I suppose to send all these people message. I need to send a text message, so that all of them could just come at once. Because as I did so, I need money. I need better money. I need better block so that we go back city. I don't have to stay for this village now. Which kind of nonsense with this one? Look at the call them. No, we got to send a text message. You don't go. Yes.
You know, I could not hold myself from bursting into laughter when he narrated this whole story to me.
But it's funny. I mean, the whole story is funny. And guess what? Vincent will not dare narrate this story to me.
He wouldn't. I am happy the way that Annabelle of a girl is treating him, since he has decided to be a fool for her. That serves him well.
Well, I wonder what he did later. Yes?
Come on, babe. Not even a welcome hug? Huh? Yes, I made a mistake. But can't you just forgive and forget?
Amarachi, what are you doing here exactly?
I'm just checking up on you, boo. I want to see how my baby's doing.
Well, as you can see, I am great. Very fine. Can you go now?
Come on. Stop it. Yes, I made a mistake. I said that I was sorry, and I am still sorry. Yes, I cheated on you. It was just this one time. I am human. I am bound to err. To err is human, to forgive is divine, right? If I do not love you, I wouldn't be here begging to get you back.
And you have a very ridiculous way of showing that love.
I just love you. Anyways, fine. Even if you don't want us to date anymore. Come on, look at it. Come on, baby. Come on. Can't we just be friends? I mean,
I mean, I don't want to lose you completely. Huh?
Well, you know that friendship is not possible. That will never happen. And yes, all these things that you just showed me, of course, they are nice.
Yeah.
Very nice, in fact.
Mm-hmm.
But there is something that is nicer. And of course, you don't have it.
Come and celebrate with me, Maria. Come. Oga just increased my salary.
No. It's very obvious that
I am waiting. Not just the salary. I am no longer a gate man. Look at me very well. I am now the Inspector General Inspector of this house. And I couldn't Akeba.
It's very obvious that you've exceeded your gauge for today. Do not allow Oga to see you like this.
Okay, you think I'm that your boyfriend that doesn't know his gauge? That your boyfriend na gbambulu. Look, Maria, don't insult me. I am not in the same level as you. I have been promoted with salary increment. You know what I mean?
Now let me give you a sound warning. Never you in your miserable life mention my boyfriend. Let me warn you. My boyfriend is an Okada man. At least he's the bona fide owner of the Okada. That makes him a big man. He is not your mate, neither is he in your class.
Mind the way you shout. Don't go out and start telling people that your boyfriend is an Okada man. Look at the way you are even saying it. Ordinary Okada man. You are comparing an Okada man with a professional security man, a promoted inspector. You should be ashamed of yourself. Okada man. Let me tell you, Oga has put me in charge of everything happening in this house. Nobody leaves this gate without my permission. Nobody enters this gate without my permission. Even Oga himself cannot leave this gate without my permission. Maria, if you leave this gate or enter this gate without my permission, Maria, I will sack you. I will fire you.
Fair enough. Fair enough. At least for once in your miserable life, you'll be useful.
You are an idiot.
Idiotocracy belongs to you.
Maria, you are a graduated fool. In fact, Maria, you are not coming mad woman. You are a final year idiot. You are just being jealous. I said,
Maria.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Is everything ready?
Yes, I'm done cooking. Should I serve the food now?
No. Wait until Choma arrives.
Okay.
Vincent, what is wrong with your big man? He refused me from coming inside. I had to knock him off before I was able to come in. Why?
Why didn't you call me? Okudili, you were supposed to call me before coming.
I don't get it.
I paid him good money to protect me. So he's doing his job.
Vincent, when this war starts?
You should have called me. Hey, you can go.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing good, baby.
Oh, yes, you are.
I'm doing great, baby.
I bet you are.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Babe. Oh my God, babe, do that again. Just do that again, baby.
Sorry.
Oh, babe, that's too much for me. No, it's not too much for me. I like it, actually.
I know you do. Come here.
Babe.
Hey.
I have missed you.
I know.
I have missed you. I've missed you like the rain misses plant. Yeah.
Lucky for you, you get to have me all through the weekend.
No, baby, say that again.
Yeah.
All through the weekend.
Uh-huh.
That sounds sexy.
Mm-hmm.
Babe, why don't you just go inside and freshen up?
Mm-hmm.
Come outside and have lunch with me.
Oh, well, I really can't wait for the food.
Oh!
What is it?
Ow.
Did
Babe.
that hurt?
Oh, that was my crotch.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
babe. That sack you just hit
What happened?
is not just delicate.
Oh.
It's very, very sensitive.
Why?
So you need to treat it with care, babe. Oh.
I'm sorry.
That was painful.
Sorry.
That was really, really painful.
Sorry.
Oh, shit. Who's calling me? Babe.
Are you gonna get that?
No, it's not important.
It's not?
No, it's not. It's not good. Babe, listen. I think you need to go upstairs, freshen up, come down so we can have lunch.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. This shit was really painful.
I come in with me.
Babe, don't do that again. Don't do it again. Oh!
You want me to do?
Oh, no. Oh! Babe, you promised not to do it again. Babe.
I'm keeping my promise.
This is the second time. Babe, that place
you
is
gonna
very
come?
delicate. Oh, no, wait. Okay, thank you. Why don't you just go inside?
That's where I'm going.
I know. Come back and so we can have lunch together. I want to have lunch with you, baby.
Yeah?
Baby, but don't hit my crotch again. Thank you.
But it's my car.
I know.
Okay, I'll be back.
All right. Ooh. Okay. What? This girl is a witch. This girl is a witch. How did you know I was with someone? Why are you calling me? Why the hell are you calling me? Huh? Is she following me? Is she monitoring me? How the hell does she know I'm trying to have some fun?
So you're here. Didn't you hear me, honey? My friend, open the gate, let me drive you.
Madam, wait. Don't be too fast. Your name is not on the list of those visiting today. Please, just go back. I cannot let you in.
What rubbish list are you talking about? Eh? My friend, open the gate before I get angry. Are you mad?
Excuse me, ma. Things have changed in this house. Can you hear my English? Things have changed. You cannot just walk into this compound anytime you like. You cannot just walk into this compound without an appointment. So please, go back home, book an appointment properly and come back. Then I will let you in. Simple.
What kind of human being is this? I ask you again. What part of your body do you breathe from?
Sometimes from my nose, sometimes from my third leg.
Did your guy put you up to this? No, did he ask you not to open this gate or let me into this house?
Madam, I mean no offense. But let me just tell you the truth. I'm doing this for security reasons. Our Oga's happiness is in danger and we need to protect it with everything we have got. So please, leave!
What do you mean by your Oga's happiness is in danger?
Madam,
my friend, open the gate, let me leave before I get angry with you.
Madam, I don't want to shout with you. Just leave. Oh.
Madam,
I said you should leave. Okay? I don't have time for all this rubbish. Leave. Oh.
And do you think I have this time?
Madam,
my friend, open the gate, let me go.
Madam 1. Madam 2.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Ha! Mandela! Gam.
What kind of human being are you?
Go and book appointment properly and you come back.
Just keep gate back.
You don't have job. Always looking for where to open your legs like a factory gate. Nah, check a say man. Ha! Mandela Ibugo. Now what? Now what? Hey!
Please, can you call me back? I'm in a meeting.
I am at your gate right now, and your stupid and disrespectful gate man has refused to let me into the house.
That's because I traveled. I am not home. Okay, listen. I'll call you back. I'm in a meeting. Please.
You are not in town? Vincent, how come you traveled without letting me know?
No, I have. Listen. When I come back, I'll let you know. When I come back, I'll tell you about everything. Okay?
Oh, okay. At least let me go in and rest before I head home. I'm tired.
I left with the keys.
Who is that?
Let me call you back, please. I'll call you back.
Stupid fool! Can you beat that? Eh? Who does that? Such insolence.
Hi. Who's calling you?
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Trust me, this is not important.
Oh, really?
Yeah. How are you?
Now that I've freshened up, where do we begin?
Ooh.
Tell me how you want it.
How I want it.
Rough, slow, or a mixture of both.
Oh, baby.
Because I'll give it to you however you want it.
I know, baby. Just finish me.
Yeah?
Baby, finish me.
Hey, come get it.
Situation report, sir.
Baby, don't worry about that. It's not important. Let's go. Just finish me, baby. Ooh! Ow, baby! Ooh!
What the hell is that joint killer?
Permission to police, sir.
Baby, it's not important. Baby, can we go?
I'm asking the situation report.
Do you want me to help you get that?
Baby, sit down.
He says it's an emergency.
No. Baby, it's not important. Believe what I tell you.
I got situation report. Permission to police, sir.
Are you gonna get that?
I got situation report.
Mandela!
Sir?
Why are you staring at me like that?
Okay, there's something I want to tell you. Seriously, you need to increase my salary again. Biko, if you see the way the second madam fought me, but trust me now, I proved to her that I've been in the military before. I lifted her up, put her on my shoulder. From my shoulder to my head. From my head, I threw her out. Okay, so you can see I'm doing my job very well.
Now shut up, you lizard. Is that why you almost gave me a heart attack? Who asked you to report to me? Can't you mind your business? Why do I pay you? Huh?
I'm just giving you a situation report.
I just asked you a question. Who asked you to report to me?
Okay, I just want to prove to you that I'm doing my job very well.
Now listen and listen good. If you try that nonsense again, I'll fire you.
Yes, sir. But Oga...
my friend, get out of this place before I give your job to someone else.
Okay, sir. Sir, what about the salary increment, sir? Lose your job. You think this is the only job we have in Nigeria? Eh? You open a brother, you cannot pay me enough money for me to manage. Every time lose your job. You think I'm doing this job with all my heart? I fight for you in this gate every time, both spiritual and physical. You cannot increase my salary. When I will just open this gate and go here with me.
Baby, I'll be taking my leave now. My mom just called saying she's in my house.
You said what?
My mom just called. I have to leave. She's in my house right now.
Your mother is in your house?
Mm-hmm.
What's your mother doing in your house?
I don't know. I think there's a problem.
But babe, tell her to come back in the evening now. Tell your mother to come back in the evening when you're there.
I can't do that. She came all the way. I just need to find out what it is that made her come.
Babe, listen, you can't go now.
Why?
I don't understand. We need to finish what we started, baby. I miss you.
I know.
Baby, please.
But I'll be back as soon as I find out what the problem is.
Baby, wait. Baby, please now.
I'll be back. Come here. Yeah. See you soon.
Baby, are you sure about this?
If you love me for real. Don't play with my heart, I can take it. Cause I'm gonna do you something strong. Please don't take me for a fool, Cause if I got you, cause life is
Sweetheart, Cassandra, I would rather you go to Nadia and apologize instead of running to the city where you have nobody.
Have you forgotten I spent so many years in the city? You don't have to worry. I know my way around.
Look, it's not about knowing your way around. You don't know anybody there. How are you going to cope?
Of course, I will check into a hotel and I will easily find men who will continue to pay the bills. Of course, you know I am a pretty woman. And it's an advantage and a great asset for me.
Oh my God! I know that part. I'm just worried. You know the days are bad. What if something goes wrong?
Of course, don't worry. People like me who do not have anything to lose will never fall into any wrong hands.
I'm just worried, you know.
I know you're worried.
Mandela!
Sir?
Pack your things. You're leaving this house right now.
Can I joke with your joke? I've been waiting.
Listen, I said pack your things. You are leaving my house right now. And if you don't, I'll get you arrested.
Okay. What can I do you now? Not do anything. Okay, please don't sack me. Okay, don't sack me. No. If I forget about my salary increment, don't pay me again.
Guy, what's up? How far now? How far with those girls for the weekend?
Okay, please. If you sack me, I have nowhere else to go. Because you know I love my job so much. I'm always neat. You could forget about the salary. Don't pay me again. Oga, because then, Oga, even if they disappoint you, I can provide gas for you. Oga, just mention it. I'm going to go to my house to my chitava. My bundu kuvana sava mbala because even if you want the one that the nyash is bigger than fence, I can bring them for you. Mosquito size, but even Congo or Toyin bad, I'm not going to.
Hey, Annabelle, the love of my life.
Hey, sugar.
How are you doing?
Fine, just hanging in here.
I'm not doing fine. I mean, you left my house and promised to come back, but you never did.
I know. You know how it is, okay? I've been very busy with stuff.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. But come around. Let me help you relax, okay?
Not today. I mean, not this week, okay? I'll be very, very busy.
Wait. But you told me categorically that when I give you the money, you'd sort things out and come to me.
Yeah, I know I said that, but sorry, let me attend to something. I'll call you back, okay? I'll call you back. I'll call you.
All right, cool.
This is petty. Oh, very petty. But I'm here for it. I I'm loving this pettiness.
You know what? I know he will come and ask me for his money. But you know what? This money will be part of my target compensation. By the time Vincent will know what hits him, I will already be in US with the love of my life.
Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby boo.
Hey, Malicha. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sugar. How are you?
I'm not doing fine. I don't know, but I feel like you have changed. You're no longer that Omalicha I used to know.
Baby, how can you say that? I am still your Omalicha.
I don't think so. You don't take my calls. You don't reply my text messages. I don't understand what's going on.
Blame it on work. I've been busy, but guess what? I'm gonna make it up to you, baby. I promise.
Okay, you know what? I want you to come over to my place right now and make it up to me.
He wants me to come over. Don't tell him you are busy and you cannot come. If I don't go, he'll sleep with some innocent girl. Are you sure? I should go there and frustrate him. Are you sure?
Hello?
Baby, hi.
Are you there?
Yeah. I'm gonna go freshen up and I'll be with you shortly.
Ah. Okay, that's fine.
Wait. I need to go and frustrate this guy. Just wait.
Are you sure about that?
I got this, girl.
The way I see Vincent right now, he might want to rape any woman that wants to leave him with a hard on.
I can handle him.
Are you sure?
I'll be back.
Men. I'm sure you don't even know what you've got coming.
Hi.
Vincent, why is your face like this?
But isn't it obvious? We weren't the ones he was expecting.
Vincent, calm down. You too dey hustle for women. And on top of that, there's still a play ludo on top of your head.
Listen. This is my house. I am not going to tolerate any form of insults from you.
Okay. Well, it is obvious you're not in a good mood. And that is very inconsequential to me, as I am here for my money.
Paul, listen, speaking about your money, you'll have to come back because I don't have any here.
Wait, guys.
Yeah.
Vincent, when did you start borrowing money? And don't tell me it's because of a woman.
No. Vincent cannot borrow 500,000 naira just to give to a woman. He's not like that.
You think so?
Am I wrong?
That reminds me, Vincent, what about that new catch? The Cassandra girl, the one we talked about. The one you said is from a region that has money to throw.
Yeah, listen, I'm taking my time.
Good one.
I don't want to rush things. But guess what? She's so pretty. This girl is so fine. Sometimes I feel like she's one of those girls that will ride you. Huh? Ride you. Non-stop.
I like that one.
Must it always be about sex for you? How do you even share the private moments you have with women? Why do you even talk about it? You think that makes you a man? Listen, I am just tired of both of you. I'll be expecting my money tomorrow. My phone is on.
Paul, what is wrong with you, Paul? Listen, just calm down, okay? Calm down. So what's up about this girl? Cassandra.
You're looking at me as if you're not happy to see me.
Madam, what else do you want to hear from me? I have given you all the clue you need, yet you still do the same thing. You're a good woman and you deserve better. It's as if you love my Oga so much that you cannot see beyond your nose.
I know what I'm doing. Trust me.
I don't think so. I don't think so. But it's none of my business. I wish you all the best.
Hey.
Let's go to bed.
I have a presentation tomorrow and I'm not done preparing. But you can go, I'll join you when I'm done.
Baby, this can wait. Alright? I promise not to waste your time. When we're done, you're going to come back to this.
Wait a minute, you're asking me to... You're asking that I suspend this just so you can have sex?
Baby, listen. This can actually wait, okay? Let's go upstairs. We'll just do a quickie. Then you come back to work.
You're saying I cannot sleep in my boyfriend's house without having to grace his bed?
What type of question is that? No, seriously, Choma, what type of question is that? Huh? Are you not my girlfriend? Don't I have the right to touch you? Don't I have the right to have sex with you?
Vincent, you're scaring me.
Listen, it's not like this is going to take time. Choma, this is not going to take time. Alright? Wait. Why didn't you tell me you had something to do when I asked you to come?
You're shouting.
Why did you not tell me you had a presentation when I asked you to come and visit me? Listen, drop whatever you're doing. Alright? Whatever presentation or whatever you're doing, and follow me to the bedroom right now.
Vincent, you're scaring me.
Baby, listen to me. Listen to me. It's your baby boy. Stop being insensitive. I promise you it's not going to take time. I'll do a quickie, real quickie, baby. You're going to like it. And by the time I'm done, you just come back to working again. Okay? Come here, baby.
Please.
Really?
To be honest with you, I was scared. I came out to drink water from the kitchen. I saw Oga. The way he was looking at me, I was uncomfortable and I wanted to go back to the room. He called me back. And then he started behaving somehow.
So how did he behave?
He said I should come close. He held my hands. He was asking me what I was doing awake. I told him I came to drink water. And then he asked me if there's any other thing I was going to be doing after drinking the water.
Now, what did you answer him?
I told him I was feeling sleepy, that I needed to go back to the bed.
Then what happened next? Just me.
He said, okay, I can go and drink the water.
Is that all?
Yes.
Like that was all?
Mm-hmm.
So why are you scared? You just made me listen to this gist as if something juicy will come out from it. What kind of rubbish is that? I wasted my precious time listening to rubbish.
It was the way he was looking at me. It was not normal.
Then display the way Oga was looking at you. Was he looking at you onyokostically or lustfully? Because I know Oga cannot look at you lustfully. You are not sexy.
I am not sexy and you're dying for my matter. I have seen that talking to you is a waste of time. Excuse me.
My friend, get out from here. Oga is looking at you lustfully. You don't have front, you don't have back. And a nigga, you can well. Oga is just looking at you suspiciously because you went to the kitchen to thief meat. Oga is looking at you. Na Dikeh kapia.
Yes, who is that?
Hey, bro. What's up? Hey, come here. Wait. Paul. This is Cassandra. And babe, this is my friend Paul.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah, and Paul. This is the woman I have been telling you about. The one that stole my heart. Yeah.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Babe, come and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Alright.
Hey, babe. Make yourself comfortable.
Vincent.
Yeah?
Can I have a word with you?
Yeah, sure. I'll be with you shortly. Babe, make yourself comfortable, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Take your time.
Vincent.
Yeah. I'm coming.
What is the meaning of this?
How do you mean? Listen, Paul, you'd have to excuse us, okay? Because I need to shag this babe. Choma has refused to leave.
Where have you been?
Huh?
I've been calling you severally and you've not been taking my calls. I even went to your house. Didn't Choma tell you? Where's my money?
Really? Bro, let's talk about this some other time now. Eh? Listen, Annabelle took some money from me and she promised to pay back. So when she does, I'll give your money back to you.
Are you kidding me right now?
Huh?
So you borrowed money from me for Annabelle?
Well, yeah. She said she wanted to do something, that she needed to sort herself out. I said, okay, fine. So I gave her the money. She promised to give me back.
That is not my business. Call her.
She's not taking my calls. Don't you understand? Listen, I trust her. She's going to give me the money. When she does, I'll pay you back. Simple. But first, I need you to leave the house. I need to shag this girl. Listen, I banged really hard. And I know you're old school. You don't like such noise.
Bang in my house?
Yeah, like the noise is going to stress you out.
That is not going to be possible. Bro.
How?
I won't let you turn my house into a brothel like you've done to yours.
Paul.
So please, you want to bang?
Paul.
Get a hotel.
What do you mean by that?
Go to the hotel. My house is not available.
Paul, it is me.
I know.
It's Vincent.
You know.
It's Vincent.
Yes, I know.
Paul.
Get a hotel.
Is this what you're saying to me?
Get a hotel.
Is this what you're saying to me? Around. Okay, now, no problem.
Banga.
Hey, baby.
Hey, darling.
Babe, listen, I want to take you to somewhere very special.
Why?
Yeah.
No, I'm beginning to like it here.
Babe, listen to me. Just listen to me. Come on, listen to me. Listen, I have to meet up with someone. It's really, really important, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah. It has to do with my business.
Oh.
Come here. We would come back.
Are you sure?
We will come back.
Oh, please. All right. It was nice meeting you. We will definitely see again.
Life is nice. We live today, story tomorrow. Please don't take me for a fool.
You're welcome. Please sit. Sit, please. Once again, welcome.
So, tell me why you decided we meet here. Why? And how did you get my number?
Well, I got your number from my ex. She has been telling me everything you and Chima are planning. And that is the reason I've called you here.
So you mean the reason you've been disturbing my phone is just this? Listen, man, I don't have time for this chit-chat. I don't. Wait a minute. Vincent sent you, right?
No. Vincent did not send me. I have tried approaching Chima a couple of times and she has refused to listen to me. And so I decided to call you. Please, whatever this game is that you both are planning is a dangerous one.
Oh, listen, your friend thinks he's smart. But I just want to tell him that he is not smart. I know he sent you. He did, right?
Like I said, Vincent is totally unaware of this meeting. We may be friends, but we don't reason alike. And the truth of the matter is, we don't even agree on a lot of things. I want you to listen to me as a brother. Because I'm communicating with you as my sister. Whatever this plan is that you and Chima are planning or orchestrating, it's really unhealthy. Please.
Well, it's good a thing I am not your sister. So you don't even have the right to talk to me as one. You don't. Your friend is getting exactly what he deserves. Well, if this is all, I have to take my leave right now. Goodbye.
Well, Vincent, I have tried my best. This is the best I can do.
Hey, baby.
Amara, what are you doing here? And why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Because if I had told you, you'd have given me a series of excuses why I shouldn't come.
Okay, so how are you and what are you doing here?
I want to understand why you are meddling in this girl's business, telling her everything I told you. Why would you do that?
Help. I am just trying to help. Listen, this game your friends are playing or are about to play is a very dangerous one. And my friend Vincent can be very mean, especially when his ego is bruised. He can actually go to any length to getting whatever his heart wants. I feel it will not be a good thing if he finds out what your friends are planning. The end will not be nice.
And what makes you think my friends are not ready for him?
Well, whether or not they are ready for him is not the problem here. The fact is that I am re-emphasizing that the game they are playing is a dangerous one. And you should tell them to stop before things get really bad to the point where they will not like it.
Hey, hold it right there. Halt it. Do you think Vincent can threaten my friends? Is he in any way? Do I even sense threat? Do I?
Well, I will not call it a threat. I would rather see it as an advice from an honest person. It's just my honest advice.
I need you to leave everything you are doing right now and meet me up at Vincent's house. We need to end this. Yes, my dear, I am tired of all this. Plus, this might get out of hand and we don't want that. See you soon.
Yeah, right there.
Right.
Right. Here. No, babe, in my ear. Just check something. Can you see anything there?
No, I can't see anything.
All right, check this one. Oh.
Babe, you're stressing me.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello, Vincent. I am on my way to your house right now. Hope you are home.
Yes, I am home.
Okay, see you soon.
Huh? Okay.
What's it?
What?
What's going on?
How could she?
What is it?
My mother just called me now. Well, she said she's on her way to my house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
But babe, listen. I don't know how you're going to feel about this, but they come together. Or before she visits him.
I don't get. Does it mean your mom doesn't want me to be in
No.
your house?
You don't understand. I said my mother is a very religious person. You see, and she is of the opinion that a man and a woman must be married before they get entangled. Yeah, so she wouldn't be happy if she comes right now and sees you here. That's what I'm saying.
So you want me to go, right?
No, not like I want you to go. You get? I just want you to, stay away for a while so she can come and leave. I'll let you know when she leaves, okay?
All right, fine.
Babe, listen, wait. It's not what you think. I'm not chasing you out of my house, okay? I'm not chasing you out. I'm just saying that my mother would give you an attitude if she sees you here. You're very pretty and, listen, just smile for me, babe. Like, seriously. No, babe, like, seriously.
Yeah.
But I'll let you know when she leaves, I promise.
It's fine.
All right.
Let me start going. Now.
Yes.
My dear, who are you?
Another bitch.
What? Another bitch?
My dear, I am one of the women you share Bola with.
I do not understand what you're talking about. Who the hell are you and what are you doing in my boyfriend's house?
Your boyfriend's house? Oh, baby girl, come off it. Listen up, girl. I am not here to make any kind of trouble. I'm done with him. So you can have him all to yourself as much as you want. I am not a threat to you, so just calm down, okay? I'm only here to settle something with him. But then I have an advice for you. Just bear in mind that this ship you are in is leaking and it will soon sink. Let that marinate. Have a nice day. Excuse me.
No, now. I shouldn't be doing this. Huh? Why should I be fighting for a man that I know I am not going to be serious with? What nonsense. Rubbish.
my way. I need to get inside.
Babe, listen to me. Listen to me.
What is it?
My mother is around. We can go somewhere else to talk.
Your mother?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I want to see her.
Baby, no.
Why?
Babe, listen to me. We can go somewhere else to talk, okay? You can leave, please.
Vincent, cut the crap. All right, because no matter what you say, I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna see your mother. I'm gonna share hugs, drink some tea, and have some fun.
Baby, wait. Listen.
Get out of my way!
Baby, come to think of it.
What?
You left this house without any prior notice. You don't take my calls. You don't return my text messages. And now you just show up here. Babe, things don't work like that.
Okay. Now you're blowing things out of proportion. I mean, it's not like you're the only one who's mad. I was mad at you too. For what you did the last time. Mm-hmm. By the way, you called me just twice. So why are you making a big deal out of the whole situation?
Wait.
I got to go inside.
Baby, you can't go inside.
I will
my
go
mother
inside.
is there.
I want to see your mother.
She's
She's
naked.
That's funny. Get up.
Babe.
Get out of my way. I want to see your mother. Hi, Mama.
Babe, whoa.
I just want to see your mom. What the fuck?
Babe, you have to leave now.
Oh, not without seeing your mother.
No, you don't understand.
You
babe,
told
listen.
me she's inside.
No, it's important. You have
Hi,
to leave.
Mom.
Babe, wait.
Why do I have to leave when your mom is here and I'm supposed to say hello to her?
Babe, listen, you have to leave right now. It's very important.
Are you being serious right now?
Yes.
Because I refuse to dig it with you. You want to break up with me?
No, babe, wait.
Hi,
It's not,
Mom.
babe, it's not a joke.
You're gonna hurt me, man.
Hold on, I'm talking to you. Babe, wait. You have to.
Oh, that is your mom. Your mom looks so good. Oh my God, your mom looks so young and pretty. Hi, ma'am. Hi, it's nice to meet you. You're his mother. It's nice to meet you, ma'am. My name is... What's my name again, Vincent?
What is going on here?
You look so good to be his mom. Oh my God.
Who is she?
Please, we need to talk.
We do?
We need to talk.
Let's talk here. Because I want you to tell me who this lady is and what it is she's doing here.
Please, guys.
Right now, before I lose my goddamn mind!
No, I want to explain to you guys.
You cheating on me?
No.
Oh, you cheating on me?
Love me for real. Don't play with my heart, I can take it. Cause I'm gonna do you something strong. Please don't take me for a fool, Cause if I got you, cause life is one so we live today.
Vincent, you mean those girls descended on you like a thief that was caught in the market? See, bro, I think Vincent actually deserved this beating.
Really? That's all you're going to say? Of course. Alright then. I'll deal with them. I'll teach them a lesson.
Listen, Vincent, my very good friend. I will advise you to leave those girls alone. Women can be very, very dangerous when it comes to heartbreak. And they are ready to go to any length to deal with that man that breaks their heart. So my advice to you is, Vincent, pray those girls don't come back for you. Tell him, Okudili, instead of him to find a way to salvage this situation, he's rather saying he would deal with them. Bro, listen, those girls seem mean. And they are ready to do anything to you.
Anything?
Of course, for what you have actually done to them.
No! They can't do anything. I'll cut their legs off. I run this town, bro. I run this town. Yeah!
Okudili. Paul, talk to your friend. I have to talk to him because when this matter gets to another level, this is my house, I will not accept any visitor. Vincent runs this town until the cripple will know who runs the town.
Baby, from the deepest part of my heart, I'm sorry for everything I have done. I'm so ashamed of myself. Baby, I didn't mean to cheat on you. It didn't come from my heart. She kept throwing herself at me. And I tried so many times to avoid her, but her father kept sending her to my office. Then it happened. I didn't do it intentionally. Please.
So because you enjoyed it, you continued afterwards?
Baby, I wasn't enjoying it, but she threatened to blackmail me. She said she was going to tell her father I raped her. And I was going to lose my job. I had to do it.
And you didn't tell me.
Baby, it happened so fast. I didn't know how to tell you. I was scared to tell you. Besides, I didn't want to lose my job. And I was afraid of being blackmailed. You know, rape is a serious case. And if she had reported me that I raped her, I would go in for it. Baby, please, I'm sorry. I promise never to do anything like that again.
I don't know how to process this right now. I think you should go.
Baby, say what?
Go home. Leave me alone. I need to process many things. Go.
Baby, I will go, but when should I call you?
I don't know. Just go.
Baby, I swear on my life, I swear on anything I hold dearly. I'll never do this again. I'll keep myself to myself until we get married. I promise you that. Baby.
Go. Now, Vincent, go.
Hey. Madam, please. Identify yourself. Who are you? What's your name? Where are you coming from?
Excuse me. Who are you? Who gave you the right to stop me? Are you stupid?
Okay, if you must know, I am Mandela. The Inspector General of this compound. Nobody goes out from this compound and nobody comes in without my express permission.
Oh. Are you not the gate man that was suspended and you came back with your miserable self? Are you stupid? Who are you to stop my way? Are you mad?
Madam, I don't like shouting. I don't like shouting.
You don't like shouting how?
If you are done with all this your rubbish and useless English, you have to go back to wherever you are coming from. And for your information, I was not fired. I was just on a leave as a newly promoted inspector. Yes.
You must be very stupid. Maybe you don't know who you're talking to. Me, Cassandra.
Come on.
If I kill your head, idiot. Very stupid thing. You tell me if you are the one that built this house. Nonsense. I built this house.
Was she the one that pushed me or evil spirit? This game was single bone. So you pushed me, Abi? I'm not even going anywhere. If no one can, I'm not getting up from here. No problem. Mandela, how come?
My Oga is not around and he did not inform me that you are coming.
My friend, go and get me some cold juice. You have to learn some manners before you lose your job. Do you understand me?
My God. You will not come to my office and intimidate me. You hear me? And I am not going to give you a thing. Not after you shaded me the way you did.
Now listen, young lady. I am your madam. And if you are not careful, by tomorrow you will lose your job. This is my man's house and I do not need any permission to be here. Do you understand me? Go and get me what I asked you to get before I call your Oga.
Listen, madam. You cannot come here and tell me what to do. The highest my Oga will do is sack me. But for me, I will not give you a thing. Not after you shaded me the way you did.
Are you kidding me? Do you know who you are talking to? Me, Cassandra! How dare you talk to me like that? Are you stupid? Okay, you think I'm joking, right? You think I'm kidding, alright. I think I have to call your boss. I will call your Oga. Hey, come on!
Would you sorry?
Leave me alone!
Please now. See, whatever happened to women, this small thing that you want to call my Oga, whatever happened to women, supporting women, breaking the barriers. See, you just want to make your fellow woman lose her job just like that. That is not our goal now, please. What are you blabbing?
No, tell me, what are you talking about?
Listen, I was only joking now. I know that you're my madam. In fact, you and my Oga fit each other. People are perfect couple. See, from today, I am at your service. Anything you want me to do, I will do it. So please, just sit down. You wanted fresh juice, Abby? I will give you pepper soup, assorted meat, and I'll bring it to you.
My friend, will you juice, my friend? Talking too much.
Have you seen your new madam? This one is on fire.
Honestly, this is a perfect match. This one fit Oga well, I swear.
Exactly my thought. This one is a match made in hell. Perfect match for each other. They fit each other.
I just take style the pity Oga. Because one day this woman fit beat him.
Funny enough, she looks very innocent. Like somebody that small breeze can just push away. But I tell you what, small push from her like this, I almost hit my head against the wall.
Wait, so she pushed you too? That girl must have single bone, no? But she does not look like someone that is strong. Okay, even I check her boost.
My dear, you see me? I will make her my best friend. I would never ever look for her trouble. Anything she asks me to do in this whole wide world, that is what I'm going to do.
Honestly, there's fire on the mountain. Oga don't finally bring woman we go kill her for this house.
Yes,
one door open to up here now.
There's fire on the mountain and nobody's running. For me, it is good riddance to bad nonsense. Yes, so
come now, come. Let's go inside now. I have gist for you. You always busy doing nothing. Come inside, let me gist you. Go.
What is this I'm hearing, Chioma? That you've given Vincent a second chance? What is wrong with you, Chioma? After all that dog did to you?
Where did you get that?
Paul told me. He even told me how Vincent had been bragging that you cannot do without him. That all he needs to do is to just go down on his knees and make you feel he loves you and you just forgive him.
Since when did you start talking with Paul?
Paul had been my friend for long now. And Paul is a better man than Vincent. But the problem here is not Paul. The problem is, why should you give a second chance to that dog?
Okay, listen. This is my life. How I decide to live it is my goddamn business. And I think you should stop gossiping with Paul and get yourself a man. You heard me. Because then we'll see how relationship will work out for you. How about that?
Are you saying this to me, Chioma? It's okay. I'm done talking about this. I'm not going to talk about it no more. Okay. I won't. You're grown up. You have your own life to live. You know what's good for you. I'm done.
Nancy, come. Sit down. I need to tell you something. Sit.
Why did you call me to come?
Are you aware that your friend Choma has gone back to Vincent?
What? That can't be possible.
Unfortunately, it is true. Because a young man is bragging about it everywhere. What exactly do you women want?
Paul, why are you so concerned about Chioma? Tell me, are you in love with her?
What sort of question is that?
Look at me. Were you in love with Chioma while we were dating? Answer me.
Well, I met Chioma before I met you. And yes, I got to develop such feelings for her. But Vincent beat me to it while I was still trying to gather morale to talk to her. Vincent happened.
Are you in love with Chioma?
Why are you stressing on this point? Listen, I called you here to tell you that this is what is happening so you could talk to your friend. I just care about Chioma and I'm trying to watch her back as someone that I have loved before. Nothing more. Are you? Hey.
See, all I have to tell you both is that Chioma hasn't gone back to Vincent.
My sister, you're only saying this because Chioma is your roommate. I heard from the horse's mouth that she has reconciled with that mad dog, that custard bucket. So I have to wait for her until she comes back.
See, we all heard the same thing. I asked Chioma myself and she clarified everything.
Okay.
Chioma right now is out for revenge. And she's not relenting until she achieves it. Yes. Anyway, I'll be inside.
Okay.
Why are you behaving like you believe her? See, I am not believing anybody until I hear from Chioma's mouth. Yes.
Amarachi, are we here for this? No, answer me. Is this the reason we are here? I mean, shouldn't we be discussing a way forward for the joint venture?
How can we discuss the joint business? No, tell me, how can? When Chioma has become a cog in the wheel of progress.
No. Amarachi, no. I don't like it when you take Chioma to be a low-class lady who will go back on her vomit. I won't take that.
So what are you trying to tell me? That you believe that she did not go back to Vincent?
Of course, my dear. She did not go back to Vincent. The Chioma I know cannot do that. You know what? I can even vouch for her with everything in me. She understands what we are doing. Yes. So please, if you do not mind, can we start the discussion now? The business discussion.
We're not discussing any business discussion until Chioma comes up from wherever the hell she went to. She needs to explain to me. I need to hear from her. So we have to wait until she comes back. Period.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Let the waiting begin.
Of course.
See, let's live in peace and harmony. Let's stop behaving as if we're enemies. You are my wife, the mother of my child. Please.
Osita, what changed? Why are you suddenly treating me like a wife? Why are you being nice to me all of a sudden? Why do you want peace?
You are my wife. I shouldn't have treated you the way I did. Please. I am sorry. Please.
Are you saying that all this time that you had no reason treating me the way you did? That all the beating, starving, abuse, all the things you made me go through, that I never deserved any of them?
I am so sorry, my wife. You never deserved to be treated that way. You did nothing to me that will make me treat you the way I did. Please. I am sorry. Forgive me, please.
Osita, this is all I wanted to know. I've always wondered if I deserved the way you treated me. At times I tell myself that it's my fault and I deserved everything. Thank you for making me realize that I had no problem. That it was never my fault.
No. Mommy, please. No.
Ha! Ha! My brother. She is too wide though. My thing was just swimming inside like this.
Vincent.
Let me tell you something. You see this your right leg? Bam! To disappear.
You don't mean it.
See, I even took a picture. See.
Vincent. To that extent.
Listen. Shh. Well, I was going to tell you this. In fact, let me just say the truth. Alright? She's good. She's very good. At least, she's very good with her waist. And she likes to use her tongue too. Yeah. In fact, she's a goddess in bed.
It's not perfect.
Perfect. Ha. Perfect is an understatement.
Listen, Vincent.
Mm-hmm.
As far as she gives you the maximum satisfaction you need.
Ha. Back to back. The girl is a porn star, eh? Ah!
Vincent. What about that what's her name again? That's your girl, Annabelle.
That one. I'm plotting my graph. When I get my money back, BAM! I knock her off.
Once you get your money back, you knock her off. Vincent, that girl doesn't look like somebody who's going to give you that money back. And that girl does not look like someone who is to be toyed with. I swear. I will advise you to avoid her so as to avoid her trouble. I sense her trouble. Vincent, every time, ham. Listen, avoid that girl. I'm telling you, I'm only giving you advice as my friend.
What can I offer you? What do you want?
You know my usual brown.
Alright, give me a second, I'll come.
Vincent, you are women.
I can take it, cause I'm gonna do you something strong. Please don't take me for a fool, cause if I got you.
I can't pay more than 6.5 million naira. I told you I have 6.2 million. That is what I said. Alright, this is a business I am just trying to establish. I don't even know how it's going to look like. Here. Yes, now. And you're just billing me. What is it? No. I don't like that. I don't. Oh, please. You know what? Stop it. You know what? I'll get back to you, please.
Is everything okay?
It wasn't a business call.
Is everything okay?
Can you imagine? My father warned me not to establish a business here in this country.
Okay.
Yeah, he said it was going to stress me. And now it is choking me. I'm sick and tired. Oh, God.
It's okay. Calm down, okay? Just take it easy. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out.
You see, these people are just stressing me. Just stressing my ass.
It's okay.
From the contractors to the least person.
It's okay.
I am sick.
Wait, listen, it's okay. I'm here for you. Because you are not alone.
I am here to stay.
Now you want to choke me, please.
Baby.
What are you doing here?
Baby, I missed you so much. You promised to call me, but you never did. And I've been calling you. You're not taking my calls.
Not today. I don't have the energy to do this with you today. I think you should leave.
Oh, baby, but when are you going to have the energy? Because I love you. I still love you. I love you with all my heart. And I'm here to apologize for everything I've done. Please, forgive me. Baby, please.
I don't have the strength for this, I told you. Please leave.
Baby, wait. It's me, Vincent, the love of your life. The man who promised to get married to you. The mother of my unborn children. Baby, I'm scared to come close to you, but please.
Get your hands off me. I want you to leave.
Baby, please.
Please go.
Baby, remember all the good times we shared together. Remember how I used to spend money on you. Baby, please. Baby. Baby, will you call me? Hey. Babe. You look sad. You look unhappy. You look stressed. You look exhausted. What's wrong?
Running a business in this country is quite frustrating.
Oh, yeah.
I am so tired.
What happened, babe?
The raw materials I ordered and paid for,
Right.
I asked them to bring everything once I am done with my warehouse.
Right.
And now it's been completed. Now they keep telling me a lot of stories. Can you imagine?
These guys with fake stories. Babe, it's okay. It's alright. I mean, you don't have to bother too much. You still have a lot of time.
I do not have any time.
Oh.
I will be going back to the States next month.
Oh.
Yes, and I need to complete everything that has to do with my company.
Right. But babe, I have a question.
What is it?
Who would run your company in your absence? Who would run your company when you leave?
I'll probably get someone I can trust. I won't be spending lots of time.
Oh. Speaking about someone you can trust, I can run the company on your behalf.
What about your job?
My job, I can quit. Or possibly run both of them simultaneously.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I am going to call my daddy, that's my boyfriend, is going to be running my company when I am away.
That's beautiful. Wait. Can I talk to your daddy?
Don't worry, we're just getting started. Soon you are going to talk to my daddy.
Right.
Oh.
I can do anything for you, baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
As I was going, the can't stop me. They say make a pack, say make I open my boot. I open my boot, and I 7 kegs of palm. Hey!
Sita,
Yeah?
what is happening here?
Come, sit down. Sit down and enjoy with me.
Don't tell me you're the one that drank all of this.
What do you want to drink? Just say it and I will get it for you.
Sita, don't tell me you drank all of this. So what are you celebrating?
Freedom. Oh yes, freedom.
When you say freedom, what do you mean? Like, where's your wife?
She has gone. Gone, and she will never return to this house again.
You are joking, right? Because tell me where your wife is, I beg, or call her for me.
My wife has gone back to her father's house, and she will never return to this house again. Is our God not a wonderful God? Eh?
Are you serious? Wait. You mean you're happy that your wife left you? Is it that you hate her that much?
Don't judge me until you wear my shoes. I never intended to marry her. My bad. I told her that I love her so much and I can't wait to have her to myself. That was when I was doing everything possible to enjoy our womanhood. I just wanted to enjoy myself and everyone would go their separate ways. But she took in.
Wait. Must you marry her because she took in? You would have told her you can't marry her.
I tried telling her, but she wouldn't listen. She made me to marry her, and ever since then, my life has been miserable.
Oh, baby! Oh my God!
Hey, babe.
Thank goodness you are back.
Is everything okay?
Yes. I was about going out. I want to go and supervise what is going on in my warehouse and my site. So I want my boyfriend to come along with me so you can see things for yourself.
Babe, I'm a little tired. Can't you do that tomorrow?
No, I need to go there now, please. So they can get used to seeing my man and also respecting him.
Are we spending time?
No, we are not.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right.
After you, babe.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. We have concluded the price. And then I sent you half the amount of the money. So why are you asking me for the 5.5 million naira? I thought we agreed that I will balance you up once the materials are ready. What is it? Yeah, okay, don't worry. I'll give you the balance. See, you are making me regret doing business with you. What is wrong with you? Why are you talking to me like that? Oh, because of 5.5 million naira, you do not want to give me my goods. No, now. All right, fine. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'll give you the money. No more stories, please.
Hey, babe, who's getting you upset?
These people are just frustrating me. Can you imagine we had an agreement, things changed, and now the whole plans changed. They're just telling me.
What really happened?
All right, wait. Let me transfer the money to them before it's too late. Oh my goodness. Why now? It's not going. What's happening?
What's wrong?
I think something is wrong with my app. I have exceeded my transactions for the day in my 2 banks. Oh my God, not again. I didn't plan for this transaction.
Okay, babe, listen, I think you need to take it easy so we can come up with something to do.
Please.
Where are you going?
I am going to the bank. I need to verify what's happening and make the transfer as soon as possible.
Which bank? Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, no.
Sit down. What time is it? This is past 5 o'clock in the evening. Banks are closed.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What do I do? If I don't send this money to these people, I will be in big soup. I need to call my dad. I need to call my dad. What is going on? My dad's number is not reachable.
Oh my God.
Babe,
what kind of temptation is this?
You need to calm down, alright? You just, listen, calm down and find ways to sort your problems.
Look, if I don't send this money, I will be in a big mess. Seriously. It will cost me a lot. I think I need to get money from my ex. Yes. Oh, but the problem is, I do not want to have anything to do with my ex again.
Wait, listen, I need to get something straight. Why would you ask your ex for money? Or why would you get money from your ex when I'm sitting right next to you?
Because I don't know if you have such an amount of money.
How much is it?
5 million naira.
Okay. Just send me your details and I'll do the transfer.
Really?
Yeah, ASAP.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. All right, I'll send my account.
Are you okay now?
Yes.
Are you calm now?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okudili, why are you sounding like this now? I keep to my words. Listen, I promise to pay you back tomorrow. Listen, I have money now. I just have money stock some... Okay, just give me 3 million. Okudili, 3M. I'll pay you back, man. Please. Yes, tomorrow. I promise. Okay. Thank you. Okudili, what is it? Why did you barge into my house looking like this?
Where's my money? And why are you not picking up my calls?
Listen, Okudili, you need to calm down. Okay? You need to calm down. I have your money. I'll give it to you. Yes.
You have my money.
I have your money.
You have my money and you're not picking up my calls. Why are you not picking up my calls?
Listen, young
Why?
man, I was busy. I was busy upstairs. Okay? But don't worry, I promised I'll give you the money. I keep to my words. I'm a straightforward man. I'll give you your money.
You give me my money?
Yes. I promised to give you your money and I will keep to my promise because I'm a straightforward man.
Vincent, I just forwarded you my account number again.
Oh.
Send me my money. And I told you I want to use this money today.
Okudili, listen, are you screaming at me? Are you screaming at me, Vincent, because I took money from you? Listen, I promised I'll pay back your money. Watch me do that. You know what? I'm expecting some money today. Once the money hits my account, I'll transfer the money to you.
Tell me you're joking. No, tell me you're joking. Listen, Vincent, send me my money today if you don't need my war. Send me my money!
Hi, what could be the problem? I hope nothing has happened to her. God, please, let nothing happen to this girl. At least until she sends back the money. This money is not mine. Ha! God, please, let nothing happen to her. In fact, let her send back my money before anything happens to her.
So wait a minute. Why are you investing hugely in the company when you're relocating to the States? I mean, it don't make no sense.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not relocating as in relocating finally. I'll be coming back. That's why I need a business in this country. I mean, something that will always bring me back.
Too much money is your problem. But it's okay. It's okay.
Well, I think that we need a manager, a male figure to oversee things and spearhead activities.
You actually read my mind, you know. I was thinking about that.
Yeah.
We do need a manager.
So do you guys have someone in mind?
I don't, do you?
No, I don't.
I have someone.
You do?
Who?
Paul, my ex.
No shit. Why, Paul?
Yeah, he's a very sincere person. He's loyal, he's hardworking, and the truth is he knows his onions.
Amara.
Can
Are you
believe
sure you are not looking for a way to go back to your ex?
You can say that too, girl.
Nah, listen, yes, I love him, but we've gone past that. I mean, he's in love with someone else.
Really? Who's that?
Who that?
It's my house. I'll check it out.
Okay.
Who that?
How many times do you want me to tell you? Are you daft or something? Is something wrong with your head?
Baby,
I'm done with you. Nothing you will say or do will make me become your girl again.
Baby, I keep seeing you in my dreams. I can't help it anymore.
Go.
Baby, please.
You don't want to go.
Baby, please. Please, I came to apologize.
You know what? Just come.
I should come?
Come inside.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Sit your butt down.
What is he doing here?
Now what is this he goat doing here?
He has been pestering me non-stop, begging that I let him become my lover again.
What?
Ceaselessly, I have told him that I'm done with you, boo. And since he wouldn't budge, I figured I'd let him in here so you girls can help me talk some sense into him.
I'm all up for that.
See. Listen, Vincent. If you do not leave here this minute, I will not only make sure you lose your job, but I will make you useless and homeless.
Period.
Are you still here?
I bet he doesn't know who owns the house he lives in, really.
The only thing you know about me is that I am your boss's daughter. Trust me, you do not know me too well. If you do not get yourself out of this place this minute, I will make sure that you regret coming into this world with a dick.
Yes, mama.
And as for the house that you live in, it is owned by my boyfriend's father. And he takes care of the building.
Boyfriend? But I'm your boyfriend. Sorry.
Shush it. Oh, you thought she's your girlfriend? Come on, little brain. Don't look at me like that. Now let me tell you something. Please help me with that. You see, you're just a pawn in a game. You are nothing. You worth nothing.
Annabelle, please, can I get back the money I gave you?
Sorry, excuse you?
I gave you some money. Can I get the money back?
My friend, get out.
You said what?
Guy, I go tell you get out. I go tell you stand up right now.
Stand up and get out of here.
Out.
See, I'm not a liar.
I came to see her.
You still came. What is it coming for? What are you coming for? Get out! I will break your head. Out! I will break. Get out! Get out of here! Can you imagine? Such gods, silly brother.
Ooh,
This whole thing is beginning to look very scary. How can she just disappear without any trace? What other story will I tell Okudili about his money?
Oga boss. Where was sir? Madam Cassandra gave me this letter 2 days ago. She said I should wait till today before I give it to you, sir.
Say that again.
I said Madam Cassandra gave me this letter 2 days ago. She said I should wait till today before I give it to you.
Wait. You were asked to give me something, and you had to wait 2 days before you hand it over.
But Oga, you always want me to follow instruction, so I'm following her instruction. Wait till 2 days before you give it to him.
Ah.
Yes, sir. My instruction can be followed.
Ah, well done.
Thank you, sir.
My friend, get out of this.
Thank you, sir. Sure, sir.
Hello, Vincent. I must confess that it was fun while it lasted. Watching you make a fool of yourself with the thought that you were fooling me. Watching you lie through your teeth without blinking. I must say you are really smart. But unfortunate that you met someone that knows your every move even before you make them. Don't bother going back to the site and warehouse that I showed you. They all belong to one of the men that I was warming his bed. He usually takes me along with him whenever he was going to supervise the site. So it was easy for me to bribe the workers into making you believe that I own the place. I believed in love before, but someone like you broke me. He stole all my money and I had to return back to the village. So this is a payback time to all the loose men in this country. I am coming for you all.
Ha! Ha!
What? Vincent! Where is my money? Where is my money? Hey, listen, if he doesn't provide my money, head we roll!
Oh, Okudili, please, calm down. This is not the right place. Neither is it the right time for this. Please calm down.
Listen, Paul, stop telling me to calm down. Oh yes, stop telling me to calm down. Can you imagine I borrowed this fool, this idiot, money? And he borrowed money from me to give to a woman. He also borrowed money from other people. After everything I told this idiot, after all I told him. Now, I heard from a reliable source that the people he gave this money are building houses in George areas.
Is that
Can you imagine?
only thing you heard? Is that the only thing you heard? Of course, the girls are balling. The PPP Express, the newly established courier company that you have been hearing about, is owned by Chioma, Annabelle, and of course, my ex. So these ladies were just eating from us while building their empires. That is it. There is nothing we can do about it. So calm down,
Paul. That is not all. I also heard that Chioma is now running with a big boy, a biggest fish in town. Now, Annabelle has moved to the US to meet her all-time lover. Now, the only painful part of this is that the money I gave this idiot was meant for my husband.
Enough!
Ah!
Enough! Okudili, enough of the insult. Do you think you're the only person who has rent to pay? Do you think
you are the only person who has rent to pay. As I speak with you, my landlord is on my neck!
How's that my business?
So if you don't have anything reasonable to say, get the hell out!
I am not leaving if you don't provide my money. Oh, God knows if you don't give me my money right now, something else would happen.
Ah!
I know. Tell him to give me my money. I need it.
Oh, Kudili,
I need my money.
You will do nothing.
Oh, you think so?
You will do absolutely nothing.
Good. Yeah.
I blame you for everything. You are the cause of all my problems.
How?
Yes.
How?
Okudili, I was a decent man before I met you. Yes! I was very, very responsible before I met you. Okudili, I was a virgin before I met you. I knew nothing about threesomes before I met you. I didn't know what a vagina looked like before I met you. Yes. Yes. Okudili, I cursed the day I met you. Yes. And let me tell you something. You can't force me to give you money because I don't have it. So wait until I get money before you open your dirty mouth.
Vincent.
Yes.
Come.
Listen to me. You are responsible for my problems because you came from a damaged home.
What?
Yes.
I don't hear you.
You came from a damaged home.
Are you talking to me?
I'm
Vincent?
talking to you.
Are you mad?
Hey.
Let me punch me.
If you punch me, I'll punch you too.
I got to enjoy my life. On Sunday, boss in my zone, oh yeah. Anytime you see me, I'm not alone, oh yeah. Me and my G's, we got to flex up. Cause life is one so we live today and tell story tomorrow. Kiss Santa, ooh, kiss Santa, kiss Santa, kiss Santa, kiss Santa. If you love me for real. Don't play with my heart, I can take it. Cause I'm gonna do you something strong. Aye. Please don't take me for a fool. Cause if I got you. Cause life is one so we live today and tell story tomorrow. Kiss Santa, ooh, kiss Santa, kiss Santa, kiss Santa, kiss Santa. Please don't take me for a fool. Yeah. I got to enjoy my life. I got to live my life. Like say tomorrow, no day. I got to enjoy my life. I'm the boss in my zone. Oh yeah.